Hello, students. Welcome to this geometry lesson. Today, we are going to look at the specific naming conventions for the parts of an isosceles triangle. We will learn what we mean when we say base and legs in geometry. First, let's define our subject. An isosceles triangle is a triangle that has at least two sides of equal length. In the diagram, you can see the tick marks on the left and right sides, indicating that they measure the exact same length. Now, those two equal sides have a special name. We call them the legs. Whenever you see an isosceles triangle, identify the two matching sides immediately. These are your legs. That leaves us with one side remaining. This third side, which typically has a different length than the other two, is called the base. It is the unequal side. Let's view them together. Here we have the two red sides, which are the legs, and the green side at the bottom, which is the base. Remembering these names is crucial for understanding theorems later on. These names also help us identify angles. The angle at the top, formed where the two legs meet, is called the vertex angle. The two angles at the bottom, which are opposite the legs, are called the base angles. Here is a common point of confusion. The base does not always mean bottom. If we rotate the triangle so it points sideways, the unequal side is still called the base, even though it is vertical now. Even if the triangle is upside down, the rule remains unchanged. Look for the equal sides first. Those are the legs. The remaining side, which is now at the top in this image, is still the base. Why do we bother with these names? Because in geometry, properties are linked to them. For example, the isosceles triangle theorem states that the angles opposite the legs are equal. Knowing which sides are the legs tells you exactly which angles are equal. To recap, an isosceles triangle has two equal sides called legs. The third, unequal side is the base. And remember, the position or orientation of the triangle does not change these names. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.